Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 4th grade concept of adding and subtracting fractions. This is standard 4.3e in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 24 off the 2019 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and then we will look at our answers together. So Zeke is making some cookies here, and we've got 3 different measurements. We've got 3/4 cup of white sugar, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, and then we've got 2¼ cup of flour, and we need to find the difference. So that lets us know we are going to subtract. Difference is our answer to a subtraction problem between the amount of flour minus, oh there we go, combined amount of sugar. So we've got a few different things we need to do. We need to combine the sugar, and then we need to take that away from the flour. So if we wanted to draw a strip diagram right here, it would be something like this. It would be a comparison strip diagram. So we've got our flour, which is going to be 2¼ cup. And then we've got, it's going to be a little bit less. We don't know exactly how much less yet, but it's something like this. We've got 3/4 cup, that's the white sugar or brown sugar. I guess it doesn't matter because they're both 3/4 cup. We've got 2 of the 3/4 cup. Those combined are less than the 2¼ cup. And this difference right here, that's what we're looking for. What's that difference? So let's start with combining our 2 sugars. So we've got 3/4 cup, 3/4 cup. There's a few different ways we can do that. We can just add like this. I'll also show you how it works on a picture. So if we wanted to take, let's just do circles. So if I wanted to do 3/4, I could do 1, 2, 3. And since the denominator is the same, which is a definite requirement of adding or subtracting fractions, we could just go and add this additional 3/4 in there. So I'm just going to make them as lines like this. There's my 1/4. And as you can see, I need to draw another circle. So I'm over 1, 2/4, 3/4. So 3/4 plus 3/4 equals 6/4. You notice we add the numerators. We do not add the denominators. It's not 6/8. It's just 6/4 because we're still dealing with fourths. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a little 6/4 right there. So I've got 6/4. You notice though it's really 1 2/4 or 1½ whichever way you want to do it. That's also the same as your 6/4. So now I need to subtract my 2¼ minus my 6/4. Well, that's going to be a problem because this is a mixed number. This is an improper fraction. Even if I put my 6/4 as an improper fraction or as a mixed number, it's not really going to help us simply because this 1/4 minus 2/4, our minuend is smaller than our subtrahend, and that is a problem. So we're going to have to take our 2¼ and we're going to have to reimagine that. So let's draw this. So let's do this. I'm going to draw my 2, but I'm going to go ahead and cut them all the way up into fourths. So there's my 1, there's my 2, and there's my fourths. So there's my 2 1/4 right there, 2 1/4, 2 wholes, 1/4. If I wanted to turn this into an improper fraction, let's just count how many fourths we have. I've got 4, 8, 9. So really this is 9/4. And if I wanted to, I could take my 9/4 and substitute that in right there. And I could say 9/4 minus 6/4. And if I take my 6/4 away, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're going to see we only have 3/4 left. And so that is going to be our answer here. We've got 2¼ minus 6/4 actually equals 3/4, and our answer is J, 3/4 cup.